Hi, my name is Bassanio Peters, and I'm the founder of Assist to Develop. Thank you for signing up for our service. I want to quickly show you how you can add jobs here on our platform. First thing to note is once you create your account, you'll automatically be taken to the Add Jobs portion of the site where you can post your freelance or full-time position. But I wanted to take a step back to show you this menu because this menu here is not present unless you're logged in. So you'll see your name, ours is Success Team, so you see the Success T, but you have various different options here. We'll get to Add Job in a second, but I wanted to explain the rest of these fields. Manage Jobs are for jobs that you already have posted and you want to be able to review candidates and use our collaborative workspace. Active Jobs, those are jobs where you've agreed to terms either with a freelancer or full-time employee, and maybe that full-time employee wants to work remotely. We have a collaborative workspace built into it. Managing your profile, we mentioned the collaborative workspace. We'll get to that in another video, and then our help menu. But to go ahead and get started, we'll select Add Job. Pretty self-explanatory. Here you're going to enter in all the pertinent information. You can add an NDA. We have a hiring agreement for full-time jobs that's already established in the system, and you're going to enter in all the information, Add Job. One thing to note here is whether you select freelance or full-time, the questions dynamically change. Again, the hiring agreement, you can preview that there, but there's a little more detail on each side. Again, one thing that I wanted to point out and mention is please be sure to add as much detail as possible. Even if you feel like you're overdoing it, it makes it a lot easier for our candidates on the platform to be able to bid on your job and understand what the requirements are. So again, if you're looking for a full-time hire, you want to be very clear on what those requirements are. And then we have, if you need some additional help, we have some tools built into the back end of the platform that can help you sort through the candidates to get the top people, because we know as well as you do that oftentimes people read the title and don't read the descriptions. So you're getting managers for completely different fields. If the job says CAD manager or CAD designer, you may get someone reads designer and doesn't read the CAD part. So again, more information you put into this, the better results will be. We'll get into the collaborative workspace and managing the jobs here in another video, but pretty simple, again, pretty self-explanatory how to add jobs. Thank you.